Welcome, Hyundai Genesis owners. Today we will guide you on how to reset the AFLS off light in your vehicle. If you're feeling frustrated with that persistent warning light on your dashboard, you're in the right place. Our goal is to make your driving experience hassle-free. Adaptive front lighting system is crucial in providing optimal visibility during challenging conditions. When the AFLS off light appears, it typically indicates a malfunction. This can be unsettling, especially if you rely on your car's advanced features daily. Understanding and resolving this issue is essential. Before jumping into the solution, it's helpful to know why the AFLS off light turns on. It may result from a fault in the system or issues like sensor obstruction or a blown fuse. Identifying these causes is the first step toward a successful reset. Now, let's get hands-on. A common fix involves sort of inspecting the AFLS fuse, locate the car's fuse box, typically under the dashboard or in the engine compartment, and consult your owner's manual for the exact fuse location. This step is vital for accuracy and safety. Carefully remove the AFLS fuse. The removal process may require basic tools like a fuse puller. Examine the fuse to see if it's blown, which would look like a break in the metal strip. Safety is key, so take precautions during this inspection. If the fuse is blown, replacing it with a new one of identical amperage is necessary. New fuses are available at automotive stores at a low cost. Once replaced, it could resolve the AFLS off issue. Visual confirmation should follow in the next steps. With a new fuse installed, it's time for a test drive. Start your Genesis and check if the AFLS off light remains off. This moment is quite significant as it indicates whether further action is needed. If the light stays off, consider it a success. In case the AFLS off light persists, additional diagnostic steps are necessary. Consult with a professional technician. An advanced diagnostic tool may be employed to read error codes and pinpoint specific problems within the system. A professional should address complex issues. Regular maintenance can prevent these issues from repeating. Ensure that your AFLS components like sensors and wiring remain clean and intact. Routine checks could extend the life of your system and enhance your vehicle's performance. Let us stress the importance of addressing AFLS problems promptly. Ignoring these warnings could potentially lead to safety risks, especially when driving in poor visibility conditions. Being proactive in vehicle maintenance is always a wise approach. As a pro tip, keep an emergency repair kit in your car. It should include spare fuses, a fuse puller, and your vehicle's manual. These items can be lifesavers during unexpected situations, ensuring you are never caught off guard. Not being able to resolve the AFLS off light yourself may feel frustrating. Know that seeking help from a Hyundai service center is perfectly fine. They have the expertise and tools necessary for more complex repairs. Ensuring your car is in optimal condition. Incorporating technology can simplify this process. Many modern Hyundai models have apps related to vehicle diagnostics. Exploring these apps might give insights into real-time problems, granting you more control over the situation. Technology can be empowering. After successfully resetting your AFLS light, remember to share your experience. Helping others in your community by offering guidance on forums or car groups can provide significant value. Shared knowledge enhances the driving experience for everyone. To round up, Troubleshooting the AFLS off-light involves understanding the problem, checking the fuse, replacing if necessary, and seeking professional assistance if needed. Our walkthrough today aimed at providing clear steps and options to restore your vehicle's functionality. Thank you for watching this instructional guide on resetting the AFLS off-light in a Hyundai Genesis. Leave any questions or feedback in the comments. We appreciate your engagement and are here to support your journey in maintaining a well-functioning vehicle.